Hey everyone, I want to take just a few minutes to show you how you can create a PDF for emailing, printing, or even just to have virtually to show working with families. So here we go. I've been working on a GoTalk 20 Plus. I'm going to return to my dashboard just so you can kind of know how I got here. I'm using some of the universal core. I want all parts of speech, but I'm using some of the universal core from Project Core. I have GoTalk 20 Plus mid-tech device that I really like working with. And so I'm working on creating these different overlays. I can create 5 and highlighting the parts of speech. So the first one I did highlights or amplifies, I would say, the actions. So I've colored all my actions in green, and I have on the next page, or what would be the next overlay, I have my pronouns all highlighted, and then I intend to do my attributes or my adjectives and adverbs next, and then maybe question words, something like this. Anyway, I am ready to at least get started with the first overlay that I've made here. And so I want to go ahead and first preview the page. And I recommend doing this before you try to go and create the PDF. I feel like this is the catalyst. This preview page is the catalyst that will drive creating the PDF and then also playing it on a player. So here it is. This looks pretty good. And I've also added speech, and I can preview that as well. Want, go, do. Okay, that sounds good. I'll show you in another video how we can add the speech onto that for the player. But that looks good to me. And so now I'm ready to create a PDF. And when I do that, I'll get the image of the PDF on the left, and then I can name my PDF as well. And so I might just leave it as it is, the GoTalk 20 Plus. That's how I started it. And I would say I like this open after creating. I want to see what it looks like. And maybe I'll just do the current page. And so when I hit create, then it's going to ask me where I want to save it. I'll save it in my documents, and then I should get auto-loaded a PDF of that GoTalk 20 Plus. And there it is. Looks great. So I'm going to go ahead and close that out, and then I am going to show you the player quick. So looks like I have, go back into the editor, and I'm going to just tap on play. And I should just be able to utilize this. Now, I tried to use the annotate feature in Zoom, and I don't think it worked really well, but let me try it again and see. So I'm gonna choose the heart this time, and we'll see if it will. Oh, look at that. But I'm not getting the speech or the voice output. Well, there you have it. And I'll be back in a bit to show you a few editing features on how I might connect my GoTalk overlays, the 5 that I can use for the physical device. I could link them for my digital version of this, how I can add speech, and then how I can duplicate a board so that I can make it really easy for me to edit. Once I've created that first overlay or that first board, I can duplicate that and just change a few things. And then finally, how I can hide some buttons if I want to actually just reveal a few things at a time. Okay, back in a minute.